Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save a Telegram story to your gallery on your PC step by step. If you want to download and save a story to your computer, follow these simple steps. So let's get started. First, open Telegram on your computer and sign into your account. Next, open the story that you want to save. Once the story is playing, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the story. From the menu that appears, click Save to Gallery or Save, depending on your version of Telegram. Telegram will begin downloading the story. Wait a few moments for the download to complete. Once it's finished, open the Downloads or Pictures folder on your computer or the folder you've selected for Telegram downloads. You'll find the saved photo or video there. If you don't see the Save to Gallery option, the story owner may have disabled downloading for that story. In that case, you won't be able to save it using Telegram. And that's it. You've successfully saved a Telegram story to your gallery on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Telegram tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.